Hey Middle Earth fans, Alfred Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another mini epic for you. It is Elrond from Rivendell. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get right into it. So this is exciting. Elrond. I love Elrond. Hugo Weaving playing his role. So really good. I love elves. I have an elven room. I wanted to show you guys that in a future video. And I have been collecting these for quite some time. I've got quite a few and I want to get more. And yeah, I just love these little guys. They're not a space hog or anything like that. They're really, really cool. This is so cool. I like these minis. I love these lines. And as always, they come with the stand because he stands perfectly fine, but you do get a stand with these right at the bottom of these. So cool. I'll show you in a little bit. Close up on him. Just the likeness of Hugo Weaving playing Elrond is really, really good on this one. And let's see here. Cool. And you gotta spread his legs to get this in. Just be careful you don't rip it. But there you go. Just kind of gotta spread them just a little bit. Just don't be careful not to break them. But the legs are quite a bit. You have to spread them and put them on. But such a cute little, cool little figure. I want to get more of these. I want to get the troll. I want to get quite a few others that came out. So, yep, but pretty cool. Overall, like his chainmail, like his cape, and his portrait and everything. Really, really cool figure here. So I'm gonna show you some close-ups here now, and I hope you guys like this yourselves here. Let's show you some close-ups. So here's some close-ups here. Really, really cool. You can see the likeness of Hugo Weaving playing Elrond there. Really, really cool. And then look at his armor. Love his chainmail, love his gear and everything. His boots. Really, really cool. And his hair. Really detailed on that one. I really like this. Then his cape. Really, really cool. And boots down below. And then Hadafang. Oh, that's cool. Didn't realize that. All the design on Hadafang. And on the outside of Hadafang here. This is Elrond playing in The Hobbit. As you know, he has Hadafang in The Hobbit, and then Arwen has the Hadafang in Lord of the Rings trilogy. And then look at the chainmail on his chest. That is freaking cool. Love it. That is so awesome. And the chainmail on his arms, and the shoulder, and on the armor on the shoulder and arms and everything. So cool. The other side. You can see he's like looking with his hand underneath his chin as if he's thinking of something there. Really, really cool figure. And like I said, I really like these mini epics. They're really, really fascinating and really, really cool. You can see the design on Hadafang there. I'll do both sides here. You can see there. Really cool. And close up of the chainmail a little bit more close ups. Really cool. Love it. And that is Elrond of Rivendell. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you guys in another video.